Hello, this is Mrs. KJ. Today I'm going to show you two different carbon footprint calculators. So you can see here I'm at the Park City green one, and this one is going to ask you 10 questions. So do you and your family turn off the lights when you leave the room? Never, sometimes, or always. And then click next. And then it's going to add in a little blurb. The lights in your home make up almost 15% of its energy use. Turning off the lights when you leave a room or when you leave the house is an easy way to save energy. When you click next, it will go to the next question. So you can see there's 10 different questions for you to answer. One of the questions asks you how much you do at school. You can just do that for your home, even if it does it twice for your home, because if you think about it, you're spending more time at your house, so you should count it double than if you were going somewhere during the school day. All right, so you're going to click See My Score, and it is going to calculate your score. So your score is whatever it says by the snowman. So my score is a 1. And if I look at my score, it looks like about 1,877 other people got this same score. So is that good or bad? You have finished. Higher scores indicate you are acting in a more environmentally sustainable ways. Ooh, so this is not good at all. My snowman is almost completely melted. That is not good. But what you need to do is take a screenshot of this right here, and that is what you are submitting to your teacher when you log into the class. This one is definitely more advanced, and you might need to ask your parent or guardian for some of these questions, but it's interesting how it talks about all the different aspects of your life. So I just went with Explore. You don't have to log in, you don't have to register or anything like that. And you can make up your name if you want to. So I'm just going to say Mrs. KJ. Okay. I'm going to choose my country though, because they're comparing people all over the world. So that's what's cool about this one. And I'm just going to do basic. I'm just going to do the basic one. All right. And oops, oh, you got to choose your state too, because they're also doing it by different states, which is neat to see at the end. All right. So now we can go ahead and when you are finished, go to the next one. So you got to use these arrows over here. All right. So do you think that your personal carbon footprint is likely to be higher, lower, or about the same? I think it's about the same as people in my country, but higher than the average person around the world. Some of these screens are just blank to show you that they're doing a different section. So there's 4 different sections on this one. The first one is home energy and appliances. So how many people live in your home? How many people do you share your bedroom with? Do you use solar panels? Okay, I don't, so I'm leaving that blank. So you're just going to keep going through all of the questions. So here you can see I got to food, my second section. And so again, on this one, you just have to hit the arrow. So I'm already on question 21. And then it's going to ask you approximately how many of these you eat a week. And you want to make sure you read each part. And then it says if you eat 3 meals per day, the total value should be about 21. And then the third section is about personal purchases. And you can see here too how you're doing in the average when you're comparing each of the 4 sections. And when you get to the purple bike, you are on the last part. There's only 3 more questions left. And this is the last slide. So this is what you are going to take a screenshot of and submit to your teacher in the class. So it tells you what your footprint is. So how many kilograms? A kilogram is about 2 pounds. So about 25,000 pounds of carbon dioxide a year compared to an average of about 40,000 pounds per year. But look at this worldwide. Worldwide, only 8,000 pounds. So it breaks it all down. So it's pretty interesting. So then you would just go ahead and take a screenshot of this and turn it in. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know.